This 2024 Jayco Jay Feather Micro 199 MBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 23 feet 2 inches in length and features sleep 7, microwave, skylight, TV, refrigerator, air conditioning, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Jayco Jay Feather Micro 199 MBS is 4,510 pounds. This 2024 Jayco Jay Feather Micro 199 MBS. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.